My friend has requested to post a video regarding the breathing breathing exercises or pranayam. These breathing exercises are very useful for the heart, for purification of blood, for removal of toxins, and for maintaining blood pressure, maintaining cholesterol level, and maintaining the balance of impurities. So it extracts impurities also, toxins and impurities are much there in the blood inside our body through the breathing exercises and other physical exercises. We can remove them and we can get back health. Okay, so I start with this Bhastika pranayam. In Bhastika, we have a long breath inside, and then the breath is exhaled with not so much force, only the inhaling is forceful. In simple language, it is long breathing. Then comes Kapalbhati, which is most important in the series of the pranayams, Kapalbhati. So, in Kapalbhati, we exhale with force. Inhaling is not significantly seen or perceived. So, exhaling is important here, and it is felt that the impurities are being given out, being freed from the body. We can do it for 4 minutes, 5 minutes, or for 10 minutes with rest, rest between two Kapalbhati series. So you can judge yourself how much you can sustain. According to that, you can go on doing Kapalbhati for about 2 minutes. Or if you are improved in your practice, you can go on for 5 minutes in continuity. Otherwise, you just keep 50 seconds of series. A very forceful and long expulsion first time, and then exhaling. All pranayams have to be done with normal speed, normal force, not with extreme and high force and high speed. Okay, and the next one is called Nari Shodhan. In this, generally inhale, and the breathing is inhaled from the left nostril with slow speed and slow and long, and then exhaled through the right nostril. Again, it is inhaled from the right nostril and exhale from the left. So this all these 4 acts will complete a circle. So you can do 4, 5 circles, 10 circles, and it is done very, very slowly. I have completed only 1 cycle for demonstration. The slow and long breathing. This is Nari Shodhan. And then comes Bhramari Pranayam. In Bhramari, you just exhale slowly and very with calm and peace in your mind, with eyes closed. And there is a humming sound like a bee. This Bhramari Pranayam activates all nerves related to mind, brain, and heart, spine, and throughout the body. So all nerves are activated, and you get tremendous amount of energy in the form of purification of your blood, purification of your toxins, and a purified body and mind, and you get the fitness and health. Okay.